Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to disable Instagram story comments. And I will show you an example. If you go to direct message and tap on the most recent DM, I saw that I react with my own account to my story with this heart's eye emoji. I want to disable this, and this is very simple because you need to know one setting. Alright, if you go back, and we go to our profile right in the bottom. After that, we tap on the three lines right in the top. From here, we scroll down and then go to comments. Then right here, you see who can comment. And if you go to stories, we have the control section now on everyone, but we need to turn this on off. All right, now we disabled the Instagram story comments option, and this is exactly how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.